Hello kids, how are you all? Let's draw a toy today. Draw a circle, then two small circles in it, then a smiley. Draw the ears. Yes, just like this. One ring, second ring, third ring, fourth ring, fifth ring, sixth ring, and the seventh ring. Now it's hold up. Let's wake up. Toy. It's sketching time. Yay! Sketchy, sketchy. Very bold. Pinky, pinky eyes. Yellow ears and the pink ears. Let's color the face yellow. Purple color for the first ring. Blue color in the second ring. Green color for the third ring. Yellow color for fourth ring. Orange color for fifth ring. Red color for sixth ring. Brown color for seventh ring. Let's make the base colorful. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and purple. Hey! Let's give an outline. Wow, looking very colorful. Glittering. Yay! Colors are dancing. Let's play the game. First of all, brown color. Then red ring. Orange ring. Now yellow ring. Pink ring. Blue ring. And purple ring. Now let's put our toy. Yay! Very good. ToyTube.